Welcome to Daiwik. Okay, my name is Daiwik, and this is my brother Audric. And today we're going to tell you how to do orange volcano. Orange volcano is a project that we are doing right now. Let's see the materials for orange volcano. First material is food coloring. Next material is dish soap. Next is vinegar, baking soda, and 1 spoon. And any orange, lemon, or lime. I chose the orange because 2 is very big. And we need to cut all of these, okay? And then we need to have a frisbee or any plate. Okay. Let's get started. First, we need to have the baking soda. First the baking soda. And then have some baking soda. Okay. That's enough. Next, we need to put some dish soap. Only little. Oh.
No!
Now, let's do food coloring.
My turn.
Yeah, you can do it. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
One more. Do your robotic.
Huh? Daddy, your turn.
Purple. Do your purple.
Okay.
Done. Okay, now let's do the vinegar. Stay back. Yeah, so cool. Adi, do you like this orange volcano? If you like this too, please subscribe, ring the bell, see you next time. Bye! Why are you doing more for coloring? No, all good. For you. Okay, bye!